Dear students, today we are starting exercise 10.5. Question number 1. In figure A, B, C are 3 points on a circle. Here is the figure given. These A, B, C are 3 points on the circle with center O. O is the center of the circle such that angle BOC is 30 degree and angle AOB is 60 degree. If D is point on the circle other than arc ABC, D is point on the circle other than arc ABC. Now we are to find angle ADC. This is angle ADC. We are to find this angle ADC. Now we take the solution of this question. See here, angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. Means angle AOC is equal to 60 plus 30, that is 60 plus 30, it is 90. Means angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. Now angle AOC is the angle subtended at center of the circle and angle ADC is the angle subtended at any other part of the circle by same arc AC. Therefore, this angle AOC is equal to twice of angle AOC is equal to this angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ADC. That we have written angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ADC. It is by degree measure theorem. The degree measure theorem is that angle subtended at center of the circle is twice the angle subtended at any other part of the circle. Then angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ADC. We take 2 on left side and angle AOC by 2 is equal to angle ADC. Angle AOC is 60 plus 30, that is 90. Then it becomes 90 by 2, it is 45. Means angle ADC is equal to 45 degree. Then we come to the question number 2. That is, a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Means in a circle, a chord is equal to the radius. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at point on the major arc. See, this is the diagram for this question. See, this is the circle centered at O. Then AB is the chord. Then AO and OB are the radii of the circle. It is given that the radius is equal to the chord. Means AO is equal to OB is equal to AB. Means this triangle is equilateral triangle. We know that in equilateral triangle each angle is of 60 degree. It means that angle AOB, that is angle 1, is equal to 60 degree. Now angle AOB is equal to angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Angle AOB is equal to angle AOB is equal to angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Then we take the reflex angle AOB. We are to find out this angle also, because we are to find the angle subtended in minor arc as well as angle subtended in major arc. This is the minor arc and this one is the major arc. Now we first find reflex angle AOB. Reflex angle AOB is this angle. This is angle AOB. And reflex angle AOB is this angle. This is again at O from A and B. Then it is, this angle is reflex angle. It is given the name angle 2. Then reflex angle AOB is angle 2 is equal to 360 minus 60. This angle is of 60 degree. Then this angle is 360 minus 60. It is 300. Then from here we have angle 1 is equal to twice of angle ACB by degree measure theorem. Then angle 1 is equal to, given to be 60 degree, is equal to twice of angle ACB. Then angle ACB 60 by 2, that is 30. Angle ACB we have found to be 30. Now reflex angle AOB is this angle. It is equal to twice of angle ADB, that is the angle subtended in the minor arc. Reflex angle AOB is equal to angle 2 is equal to twice of angle ADB. Angle 2 is equal to twice of ADB. Angle 2 is 300, that we have found here. this angle 2 is 300, then we have put the value 300 is equal to twice of angle ADB. 300 divided by 2 is equal to 150 is equal to angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to 150 and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree that we have found out in this question.